Does grammar matter? Here's a quick blast of information about a difference between the written word and the spoken word. To start, can I ask you a question? The question is, does grammar matter? Well, there are some people that respond to that question with, no, as long as people can understand what I say, it doesn't matter. And to be honest, I agree with them. But there is one condition I apply to that when I so easily agree. The condition is related to that part of the response, as long as people can understand what I say. Well, when we talk to each other, we benefit from being able to see the person we're talking to, and as a result, we can easily work out any grammatical discrepancies by the context of the situation that we are in. In easy conversation, in a cafe for example, if a friend omits words from a sentence, the context we are in will fill in the blanks. She wouldn't have to say the word cafe if we're in one. Grammatically, the sentence might need the word cafe, but in conversation it's unnecessary. In fact, conversation can sound stilted and unfriendly if exact, correct grammar is resolutely adhered to. However, we don't get the benefit of surroundings and context with the written word, therefore correct grammar does matter if we want our readers to understand what we say. Possibly you've convinced yourself nobody really cares. But I assure you readers do care, because wrong words, omitted words, or even misplaced punctuation can change the intended meaning of what we say, or at worst, make coherence fall apart. If we think about it, we all know the importance of good first impressions. We're familiar with the cliché, you have one chance to make a good first impression. Employers often say that when they look at a CV sent in asking for a job, they stop reading when they find misspelled words or grammatical errors. Therefore, we can appreciate, in spoken language, it's unnecessary to worry about correct grammar, especially in informal contexts. By contrast, the written word demands accuracy, both formally and informally, because the reader requires the rules of grammar to ensure what is being presented makes complete sense. Okay, well, I'll leave it there now. I've talked about the difference between the informality of the spoken word and the necessity for correct grammar when using the written word. Please look around the TIC Training website to find classroom ideas to help teach the difference.